So in the exercise number 2, we'd like to select, insert and update the content of the tables department location, department and project and works on without the ability to delete in those tables, and not able to select, insert or update in the following tables, employee and dependent, in addition to not delete in the table of the schema. So we don't want to be able to delete in any other tables. So it seems like we don't delete in any of the tables, and we can insert only in these tables, while these ones we're not able to select, insert, update or delete. So we cannot delete in any of the tables, but this one we cannot insert and update on them, and these ones we would like to be able to select, insert, update. So let's do that. Well, I just need to bring back all the tables because there's no need for me to remove those. So let's remove this one and let's keep this option 1, and these are all the tables that we have, right? Grant select, department location, dependent, project and works on, employee. That's all we have. Now what we'd like to give as a permission, select, insert and update, which is, so these are the privileges that we'd like to be able to give. So I'm going to give these to you in all the tables, not all of them actually. Department location, department, project and works on. So not here. Department location, dependent, department location, department, project, there's no dependent. So project and works on. So these I would like to be able to select, insert and update in those, okay? But I don't want to be able to delete in those tables, so I would like to explicitly mention that I don't want to be able to delete on those tables. So what I'm going to do, these ones, I'm going to copy them, and now here I'm going to revoke every single one of them. Revoke, well, revoke, actually, you know what, I'm going to revoke the delete from all of them.
No, because they can't
But just to make sure, I don't want to remove them, I revoke the delete from all the tables. From.
This is the last one, but I mean, the part 2 is, it's actually, it's not necessary.
Which part 2?
Can you go to the question 2, which is here? It says, yeah.
Select, insert, update in the following tables.
I did not give it a grant option in the first place.
Yeah, but I would like to make sure to have that. So of course I did not give a grant, but now imagine that in a company there's a lot of different grants that can be given or revoked later on, but then if there's some instruction that tells you make sure this is working, so you might not remember if you did the revoke or does it have a permission or not. Just write the thing and forget about it. Why you would like to check? It will take you more time to check than to just write what is needed to be done. So to make sure that they don't have this, I'm just going to write it down, and they're not going to be able to have those privileges. But as you said, because we know what we're doing, we have only one table, one database, one schema, so we don't have a lot of problems for remembering what did we give from what we didn't. But now, just with this exercise, we might have given something already. So I need just to make sure that we remove that, so I can just write it down and not forget about it. And also in the exam, if I tell you this, not be able to, I want to see that revoke. So you need to put it.
Also give a grant. That's okay.
Expect it was given or not given.
But when I run without giving a grant.
Exactly, it will be an error. You're right. You're right. You're absolutely right. But I want, just for the sake of just writing these and getting comfortable with these and remembering them, that's just to add them to granting and revoking all the time. But you're right, if you have not granted a privilege and you try to revoke it, it will give you an error message. You did not grant this, how can you revoke it? But as you can see now, I'm just writing down these just to make sure that we know how to write things. And now here I just not to be able to select, insert and update on these tables. So basically these are the ones I'd like to, let's keep the revoke together. I'd like to revoke again from this, but what I'd like to revoke, the select, insert, update. And from these two tables. And that would be it, right?
Yeah.
That's what you got?
But he says delete only in this for clear, not for all. About delete.
Okay, is there something that is left out? In my mind, we have 4 tables, and also not to be deleting any table.
No.
So we need that from any table. All right. Okay, the exercise number 3 is asking to insert, just to allow the friend to insert, update and delete from all tables with the possibility to give those privileges to other users, in addition to select from all tables without being able to give such, or to give or grant such privilege. To give, grant such privilege, what does that sentence mean? I just need to maybe to remove this give. Grant is much. Okay, so would like to be able to give this in all tables. So insert, update and delete, want to give that from all into all tables. So actually we can just do some kind of star. Select, insert and was it update or delete? Insert, update, delete. So there's no select. Insert, update, delete on company dot star. I don't need to mention each one of them, but then with the grant option, because we would like to give the ability to give those privileges to other users. So with hold on, I just did something. Let me do something with grant option. Now what I'd like to do is to copy this and then bring back the solution, because I'd like to copy that and leave it for. So this is the exercise 2. This is exercise 3. So grant, insert, update, delete on everything to that username with the grant option, and then in addition the select from all tables but without the grants. So I would like to also do something similar. Just select and remove this, and yes, that was much easier than the first one. I should reorder those exercises actually. Starting that number 3 should be the first one, then the second one, then yeah.